Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about how can hackers steal your payment card details via formjacking. Okay. One day you made a payment for a flight book from London to Singapore, okay, and Singapore to London, and that was cost you 352.21 pound, okay, and next day you just received a notification of the payment of 3,000 pound, and just you are surprised. I didn't make any payment, and just yesterday I made a payment only for the flight book. Who made the payment? You are surprised, okay, and then just you come to know, yes, that was some kind of fraud, forum jacking, okay. So how that happened, how that attack work, I will discuss about this, okay. For example, there is a website, okay. Over that website there is a form, and it will ask some details. You need to fill the name, credit card details, whatever the numbers of the card, and each and everything which required to make a payment on that e-commerce site, okay. For example, that was the site of British Airways, okay, where just you made the payment. There is a group that's Mega Card, which is the hacker group, okay. That hacker groups targeting the websites which are making or just collecting the number of payments online, okay, and they targeted 20,000 online stores, okay, and they breached them. For example, there is on the British Airways website, when you just made a payment, there was some other services which that website is using. That's a third party services, okay. That third party service was having some vulnerabilities, and hackers are finding out the third party application or services which are running on that particular website, and they just try to expose or just try to use the vulnerability whatever exists here, okay. For example, they are using a chatbot, okay, chatbot from another third party vendor, and that is having some vulnerabilities. First, that Mega Card will exploit the vulnerability which exists on the chatbot, and then they just with the help of the JavaScript, they just made some change in the form, okay, and a copy of the detail which you entered in this form. There is a server, for example, that is set up by the hacker, okay. This is a server which is set up by hacker, okay. A copy of that information will reach to that server, and this information they will use to collect the payment or just to steal the money from your payment card detail, okay. So they are targeting the third party services, okay, and they damage millions of different e-commerce websites on internet, and they are stealing the information. So you need to take care where you are giving your details about credit card, because if that website is having any kind of vulnerabilities, whether that's exist on its own website or the third party services which they are using, that can be have the notification services, whatever they are using from the other vendor, and if that having vulnerabilities, they will expose it and they will exploit it, and they will collect the information whatever you enter. Okay, in this way the formjacking work, and you can follow me on the cybersecurity prism, and if you will follow me you will get the notification, otherwise you will not get the notification. Send or share these videos with your friends so that they will also able to understand what is formjacking, and when they will make any payment they will be little bit conscious about where they are giving their details about credit card. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about mobile device management, whether that's a blessing or the curse. So namaste, see you in the next session.